Alright guys, welcome back to Evans Stretch Fitness. Today we're going to be demonstrating how to do a leg press. Leg press have three combinations which you can put your leg either, but the overall you can always put it in the middle right here. That means you're working on overall lower quads, glutes, hamstring. So when you want to specify on your glutes, you will bring it lower. Focus only on the quad when you bring it up. So I'm going for only 1 minute. I'm going to put it in between, in the middle, and a little bit narrow. So as we all know, leg press primarily work on the quads. So I'm choosing the quads, but only one. Ready? Let's go down. Alright, baby. As I stated earlier, right here. Working all the way. My glute, even at this position, I can feel my glute tension already because of the position of my feet. Always make sure your heel stick to the plate. Same as you press to the floor, you do it out, squat, same as that. Your heel stable to the plate. Let's go. Alright, now you focus on the tension, the concentration, the contraction when we bring it down, alright? That's what we say, pay attention to the details. Alright. I would say push to fail, but if you cannot push to fail, you can choose 10 reps. It's also a set. Depends on how heavy your weight is.
What is that? That's crazy.
I tell you, in my quads, see, it's already on fire. See that? That's what I'm talking about. Alright guys, that's how you do your leg press. You need to focus, give it full attention and control. Alright, focus on the range of motion. Only by letting it go and come. Stomach tight, engage, embrace the light. So that plate to enable you to control. Alright guys, thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment. Thank you once again for watching. See you in the next video.